Hey, hi guys,
Hey
Saruna
guys.
from Gadgets Africa.
And it's Alphas from Gadgets Africa.
Alright, so we have something really interesting here with us. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. How many Flip Z?
Z Flip.
Okay, so
Z Flip.
Alright, so whatever it is,
Yeah.
the name, okay, we'll rate the name later. However, we're here to talk about, wait, just hold up. That phone. Like,
Look at
guys,
that.
this
Look
this
at
this
that.
this is
Look at
amazing.
That's amazing.
So this phone is the next foldable phone from Samsung after the Samsung
Fold.
Galaxy Fold,
Galaxy
right?
Fold.
And this one is really nice.
Ooh.
So it flips down to this size, like half a phone size, half a normal standard phone, and when you put it back up, it becomes a normal full phone.
Yeah.
So Alphas, what do you think about this phone?
I think it looks amazing. I mean, first of all, the color. I mean, just
Yeah.
look at that glow. Just look at that glow.
Yeah.
It keeps changing from whatever lighting you have. So you can do a blue. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but you can do a blue, a purple, a kind of red, green. And I think that's just amazing. And then we can talk about maybe the hinge.
Yes,
It
so-
looks amazing also.
Yeah, so this is a similar hinge to the new Fold, not the
Yeah.
hinge that had problems.
Yeah.
So this hinge is actually strengthened, and there is no gap at all.
Whatsoever.
Like
You just
seriously,
can't even see
there's
through it.
no gap
just
anywhere.
perfect.
Yeah. So this phone feels a bit literally. You see, I'm shaking it, and it's
And
not
nothing is
flipping back
moving, yeah.
because it's sturdier than the Fold, and we did actually spend time with the Fold.
Exactly.
So we can actually tell you for sure that this phone feels more rugged.
Feels more premium,
Yes, a
you
bit
know?
more rugged than the Fold.
Yeah.
More premium and more usable. Because seriously, this is a phone,
And then they don't use plastic anymore.
Yes.
This is actually glass.
guys.
No more
Glass.
plastic. It's
Just
glass.
don't drop it. All right, so we'll talk about. Okay, we won't talk about the specifications. We'll show you the specifications
Yeah.
right here. But it has two cameras at the back and one camera at the front. And yes, it is a punch hole. Let me just show you guys that. So as you can see, okay.
Yeah.
It is a punch hole, so yeah, there's that, that slick aesthetic that comes with
Exactly.
Samsung devices.
Exactly.
It's still here, and honestly, we love this thing, like for sure, we really do. And it goes for 160,000 Kenyan shillings.
169.
Yes,
Ooh.
and it will be available from April in Kenya. I don't know about other markets, but in Kenya, this phone will be available from April, around there.
Okay.
So question
we have till
would you
April.
buy this phone?
So basically, I think I just have till April to save 160,000 because.
Oh, so that
I
means
would-
you're actually getting
I
this
would
phone.
definitely get this phone.
All
I
right,
mean,
so
just
I
look at
honestly,
this
guys,
package.
I love this.
Look
I know it's expensive. It won't be for
Look at
everyone,
that package.
but this is a phone that says, "I got money."
I mean, and then it's Samsung. I mean,
So yeah, there we go. Until next time, my name is Saruni.
my name is Alphas.
This is Gadgets Africa. Like, subscribe,
And
share. Na tutaonana baadaye.
Kwaheri.
Oh, guys, and this video was shot on the Samsung Galaxy S20.
Ultra.
Yep.
Ultra. Not
Those
Pro.
balling like that.
Ultra. Ultra. That's how we do.